Che's album Rest in Bass dropped about a month ago, and the first time I listened to it, I thought it was absolutely horrible. I was on a plane ride and you know, I couldn't move, and I'm just listening to AI Cardi, and I'm like, this shit is ass, you know what I mean? But give it some time. I listened to the song Eardrummer. All I see up here is chasing everybody else ahead. And that song is insane, guys. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a eardrummer type beat or in that Che ginseng ambient kind of style. I was just trying to figure out how this bass was made. So I asked ChatGPT how it was made right here. I said, help me create a bass like Che eardrummer and Serum 2, which is insane how fast it like loaded and was able to figure out how the bass was made. Like, it's actually mind-boggling. But basically he told me exactly what to do, as you can see here, and it kind of baited me. It said, do you want me to write the Serum preset? I'm like, yeah. And then it basically just like told me how to do it again. I got the bass made, and this is what I have so far. And we're in 130 BPM, so let's turn it up, because eardrummer is like around 145, so let's do something around 142, just so it's not exactly, I'm not trying to do a remake here. I was just trying to figure out how eardrummer was made. And shout out Ray's Poi, I think his name is. I was just watching his video, he did like a remake. But yeah, I was just interested in how the beat was made, and I want to make something like it, and I figured, you know, do it for a video, show you guys as well. I'll drop the bass preset in the Underdogs Discord, so links will be down below if you guys aren't in it yet. Huge community, we got like 3,000 of you guys in there, so check it out. The preset will be there if you guys want it. Anyway, let's get into the cookup. Let's get some sort of synth sound. Let's just double this up. The key for these beats is stacking a bunch of layers, just as many layers as you can. But just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm not going to try to overwhelm it and make it too complex, just because it'll be really confusing for you guys. And I also don't recommend you guys like just infinitely adding that many layers. Like Ginseng can do it because he's like super skilled and he's been making beats for a long ass time and he's just really good, you know. But a lot of you guys starting out, don't try to over stack these sounds, because it's really hard adding more sounds and having them fit together, and it's going to take you a lot of time. Just go for these basic elements and get those down. Don't worry about the nitty gritty, like extra details. So a lot of this beat is just gonna be stacking like rhythmic sounds. like that. We got a lot of layers. Let's add this to the mixer. Click right here and drag, and then hit Control L, and it's gonna send it to the mixer. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a little mixer master track. So let's call this Mel Master, and change the color here. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take all these sounds here, hold Shift Control, and just select all of them. And then you see this little arrow here. We're gonna right click on this arrow and then click route to this track only. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna send all these melody sounds to this one mixer track. And say we put effects on this track, it'll affect all the other melodies as well. So it's just kind of great for saving time and also adding like the finishing touches to your melody. So basically, if we mute this track, none of our melodies will play. Right, so all our sounds are going to this track. And here we're just gonna add a little compressor, and I'm gonna do an individual kind of mix on these melodies after, but it's just a rough for right now so we can get started on building more of the drums. That's just how I like doing it. I like doing like a little rough little mix, and then at the end I'll kind of touch it up. And I don't even necessarily really mix. I just level. Like I'll just turn stuff down or up. That's pretty much most of the mixing I do. Let's start building the drums. Let's just get a hi-hat, and we're just gonna do this the two hollis method right here, where it's just fill every single note. See, just like that, and then hit Control B. Let's get a clap. Get this counter snare. Let's get some more perks in here. I'm gonna move that, but it's cool. A little different bounce. Get a little stomp. Get the bass in here. Just add little texture layers, because yeah, we're pretty much done. I mean, the bass was the hardest part, and shout out ChatGPT. It's just literally cooked the preset, and then I just clicked the bass line in. We're gonna take a ringing sound, we're gonna add some delay to it and just make it really, really long. Let's add some more melodies, because yeah, we got drums done. Quick little cheat code if you guys want to move your mixer tracks around, is just select your mixer track and then hold Alt and then arrow keys, and then you can move it like that, left, right. Also, another one is if you guys want to select multiple mixer tracks, hold Shift Control, and then you can select multiple. And you can do the same thing. You can hold Alt and then arrow keys, and you can move them all around. Anyway, I'm gonna add a few more sounds, just kind of for the fuck of it, like, you know, why not? that's it. Like, yeah, I think we cooked. I'm gonna arrange this, so just right click on the pattern, hit split by channel, go over here to open the playlist. And this is a lot of layers, but they're all doing their thing. The most important thing I'd say when you do beats like this, when there's a lot of melody layers, is less is better. Just because like the more layers you add, the harder it is to get everything to mesh. And even this, I could really nitpick all the sounds I added here and really like go at it and try to like, you know, perfect. Anyway, let's start arranging it. So I'm gonna take some of these layers out. I'm also gonna mix some of these sounds a little bit. I really like this plugin right here. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys are interested in getting this FLP, having the project file so you can tweak it, see how it was made, you know, go a little more in depth. It's gonna be up on my Patreon, so go check it out. Links will be down below. I also dropped my vocal preset there last week. And yeah, check out the kit store if you guys want to help support the channel. Go get my new drum kit, or go get my drum kit Music Plus. It's not that new anymore, but I'm also working on a new kit called Unnamed, which is gonna be out in the next month. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Go join our Discord, links down below. Follow me on Instagram, you know the deal. Check out the kit store. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.